What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another video. Today I got a special treat for you. We're actually going to be heading down the street today, and we're going to be doing a spring cleanup for one of my customer lawns. That's right, for those of you who don't know, I have my own local lawn care business here in the neighborhood. I maintain about 12 to 15 accounts on the weekly, and this happens to be one of them. We're going to be heading over there today doing a spring cleanup. We got some shrub trimming to do, all sorts of fun stuff, so I'm hoping you guys will come along for the ride. So with further ado, let's get the trailer loaded up and then we'll get going. So real quick, while that's charging, I want to go ahead and give you a little overview of the setup we're rocking this season, at least for now. We have the John Deere L120 automatic. Love this thing. This thing's a workhorse, 48-inch deck. And then back here, this is our wagon that we tow with the tractor, which holds our push mower here, the Snapper. Snapper high vac. You guys have seen me do so many videos on this in the past year and a half. Love this mower, phenomenal machine, great with bagging leaves up in the fall, so very happy with this. And then we got our sure cans here, and then we also got this backpack blower. Got this from a buddy of mine about 2.5 years ago out of Oklahoma. He doesn't want me to say his name, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to respect him for that, but thanks, buddy, if you're watching out there. And then for our trimmer slash edger, we got an Echo PAS 225 that I am looking to replace with a Stihl combi system. I'm undecided on what I'm going to do there, but looking forward to that upgrade very soon. I know I've been getting a lot of questions, so I'm just going to go ahead and address this beast right here, this boat of a truck. This is my baby right here. This is a 96 Suburban. This is a beautiful car, blue exterior, blue interior. As a matter of fact, let me show it to you right here. Look at that. Blue interior. Got some aerate and green punch back here. Had to go to a project lawn the other day. See more content on that very soon. And then there's just standard tools back there. But yeah, she's a beast, ladies and gentlemen. Haven't been using her for the business lately yet because I still have yet to learn how to drive this thing with a trailer. Once I get to the skill level that I want, then I'm going to start driving this guy around more often with that. And speaking of my trailer, it's not here. It's at my big project lawn in the big driveway. I'll throw a shot of it up here at some point if I have it. But anyway, we'll be driving this beast very soon, regularly for the business. But in the meantime, I've been driving her a lot. Love her to death. She's a boat, folks. All right, let's give her one more try, and then hopefully this will do it. Here we are. This is the project we're going to be tackling today. Pretty quick, pretty sweet. Let's check it out. So we got these two bushes right here, and I just got done talking to the client. What she wants me to do is hack these off and basically make this bush same size as that one, and with this one, just get it away from the sidewalk. No big deal, we can do that. And then all of these right here, hack them down to the ground because they're going to rejuvenate. And I gotta say, I actually kind of like these. Might get those in my landscape. And then these right here, these I think they're arborvitae bushes. I don't know what these are. Comment down below. Let me know what you think these are. But anyway, I think they got to be arborvitae. They just look like it. And you can see they're all bushy. And all we got to do again is cut these back and shape them up. I have a little bit of experience with these, so no problem. No problem there. We're good. Finishing up, we got this last one right here. I think this is yeah, actually this is a boxwood. So this boxwood right here, we're gonna go ahead and shape this one up as well, make it look good, make it look pretty. And then as far as the lawn goes, we're gonna be cutting the lawn too. You can see we've got quite a little bit of growth on it, so that's always nice, right? Check that out, look. She's got a little bit of a double dark game going on, so I'm always happy about that. And yeah, so pretty simple job here, straight and to the point. Let's go ahead and get her done. So as you guys can tell, I am probably not the best at hedge trimming or hedge sculpting. I'm sure I could just see the comments already. Jake, you're doing it wrong. You got to do it this way. I could see him coming in already, but it reminds me of something that my good old buddy Greg Chisholm over at Geek the Freak used to say when he had a big presence here in the community back in the day. He always said, don't be scared. Even if you're not good at the job, give it a couple shots, give it a couple tries, step out of your comfort zone, right? Get some more services going in your business, because you never know, you might see more profit in that. So anyway, yeah, don't be scared, folks. It's the same with DIY lawn care, right? That's why I figured I would say that, because with DIY lawn care, there's a lot to be scared of, but just know that if you make mistakes, you make them, right? It happens, so don't be scared. See, this is the reason why I don't like electric hedge trimmers, because this always happens. Plug always comes out, so yeah, not a big fan of that. Just another quick pause here. I wanted to show you guys this. So as I was trimming these, my customer came out and she was asking me, hey, is there any chance you could cut these back all the way to this brick outline here, right down there? Because apparently they skipped a year and the growth got away from them, as you can tell. And what I actually came to find is that it growed out so much that it covered up this landscape light right here. See that? Look at that right there. Completely encroached over it. That's actually pretty funny. So no bad news here. Did not chop the wires or anything, so we're good. I found out about that ahead of time, but I'm not going to cut these back because I want to play it safe. I'm not a professional when it comes to trimming hedges. I'm just getting into the game. I've done it a time or two, so I have a little bit of experience, but not enough experience to where I could confidently hack this all the way down to where she wants me to and have confidence that it'll come back, because I'm just not sure. So I did tell her, I was like, the least I could do for now is play it safe, and then we'll, you know, shape it and we'll try and get in there. But again, you could see if we go any further, this is what it's going to look like, just brown and dead, right? So pro tip to all of my beginner friends out there who are trimming hedges, if they ask you to go deep, I suggest not doing that, because as you could see, that's what the bush is going to look like if you go too deep. Now, all my pro friends out there who've been doing this for a while, please comment below. I'd like to know what to do in a situation like this when the bush gets too big. Do you guys usually rip them out, or do you trim them all the way down and hope to God they rejuvenate? Because I have no idea. So please let me know. Again, so I gotta say, this is actually pretty fun for me, because usually I'm the one teaching you guys, but this time my pro friends out there, I'm letting you guys teach me. So it's a little role reversal today. We're having a little fun with it, you know, switching things up, you know, keeps things fun. Let me know your suggestions down below. Much appreciated. Okay, back to work.
This girl went to town at night. She got blinded by the fancy lights. Realize you cannot wait to live till tomorrow.
All right, I will stop one last time just to say this. One thing I really like about boxwoods, especially these kinds right here, is that you have so much flexibility on how you could shape them. You could shape them into a spear, or you could do like I'm doing, where you're just, you know, flattening up the sides and then curving up the top. There's so much you could do with these bushes, and they'll look good no matter what, right? Because I think the big thing that has to do with that, though, is the double dark green color that these things just naturally have, right? It gives you so much flexibility with shaping them, because it's like no matter what you do to it, they look awesome. So yeah, I don't know if I'm the only one that feels that way, but I just figured I would address that. So all right, back to work.
Say goodbye, you found some reason to be loving. There's a way that makes you feel stronger. Got you leaving at the time she wonders. Stay on tune to get older. Singing sunny Tuesday, 'cause Sunday's raining, and I can't avoid to hear the answers knocking on my door. Feel less lady, read them more. Well, I'm sitting in the living room with these ironic words. Would you believe in that? If the lie has made the down.
All right, so there we go, all done. Bushes are trimmed up, looking good. We even come along to the side here. You could see we also trimmed up that boxwood. That's looking good as well. Got a little bit of debris on the ground yet, but I'm not really worried about that. Over time, as we continue to mow this is going to continue to break down, and it's going to go down into the ground. As you guys always hear me say, this stuff right here, as it decomposes over time, it becomes great organic material for the soil. So I'm all for that. And let me come back over here and show you guys the lawn stripes that we got from the mowing we did. So there we go. There are the stripes. You could see looking okay. I think we could do a little bit better, as I do have a striper kit that I have to install on this. I'm way overdue on that. There will be a video on that very soon, so stay tuned. Things are looking good. We even got a nice tight edge on here, trimmed everything up nice, and with that, you know, lawn stripes make everything better. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And if you have any questions related to lawns or anything like that, leave those down below as well, and I will try to get back to those as soon as I can. So with that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. If I don't see you guys next time, your lawn is going to be dominated. See you later.
Has made the down.